Welcome to Looking at the Markets with David Modell. Today I'm going to talk about the bearish engulfing pattern and the bullish engulfing pattern for stock chart candlesticks. Doesn't have to be stocks, could be commodities, cryptocurrencies, forex, whatever it is. Okay, so just a quick review. Green, and I have a whole other video where I explain how candlesticks work, and I'll put that link in the description of this video, as well as a link to my I have a playlist full of technical indicator videos, lots of them. All right, so check those out in the description below this video. Okay, but just a really quick review with candlesticks, the rectangle part, that's called the body, and the line on top and the line on bottom. On the bottom, if they have it, some candlesticks don't have these lines, some do, but these two lines are called wicks or shadows. All right, and if it's green, that means that the price of the stock, commodity, whatever it is, closed higher, and if it's red, that means that the price closed lower than it opened. All right, so this is the bearish engulfing candlestick pattern involving two candlesticks, and this is the bullish engulfing pattern, again involving two candlesticks. Both of these patterns involve the relationship of one candlestick to the next one. All right, so a bearish engulfing pattern forms when the red body of the second candle, again the body is this rectangle here, when the red body of the second candle fully engulfs or covers the entire previous green candle's body. So you see how this red body is so much bigger than the green body that the top of the red one is higher than the top of the green one, and the bottom of the red one is lower than the bottom of the green one. That's called engulfing. It means it covers the entire body of the first one. The second one covers the entire body of the first one. All right, or engulfs it. So now when it's at the top of an uptrend of candlesticks, you got all these candlesticks going up, and then this happens, that's considered a reversal candle, and that's bearish, meaning people expect sometimes that it's going to stop, the candlesticks are going to stop going up and they might start going down. That's a negative sign for sure. When the entire body of the red candle swallows up or covers the entire body of the green candle, yeah, that's a bad sign. Or a good sign if you're shorting the stock, but it's a bad sign if you're long. And then the bullish engulfing is the opposite. A bullish engulfing pattern forms when the green body of the second candle fully engulfs or covers the entire previous red candle's body. And when it's at the bottom of a downtrend, that's considered a reversal candle. When you've got candlesticks going down, 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 and then this happens, you get a green candle where the body is so big, it just fully covers the body of the previous red candle. That's oftentimes considered bullish. That's why it's called a bullish engulfing candle, and you might expect the next candles to go upwards. Doesn't work all the time, but that might be an expectation. Okay? So let's look at that. If you pull back a chart and look at multiple candlesticks on a chart, all right, so here we have the bearish engulfing. You got candles going up, up, and up, but then, look at these two, right? So there's the bearish engulfing. This body is bigger, and it swallows up or covers all of the previous green candle's body, and so you might think that it's going to start going down, and that doesn't work all the time, but sometimes it does. And this is the bullish engulfing. You got the candlesticks going down, and here's the bullish engulfing pattern, and you might expect the candlesticks to start going up because the body of the green candle fully engulfs the previous red candle's body. All right, and here's some interesting points about that. Yeah, the body of the second candle completely engulfs or covers the body of the first candle. Now, people ask about the wicks sometimes. Remember, we talked about the wicks, these two lines here and these two lines here. The wicks are not considered as important as the bodies of the candlesticks. Now, there's debate about that. Some people say the wicks are just as important as the bodies, but most of the technicians would probably agree that with the bullish and bearish engulfing, it's mostly the bodies that you're looking at, which represent the opening and closing prices of that period. Okay, here's some other considerations. The larger the body of the engulfing candlestick, the more powerful the reversal signal is. The large body shows that the new direction has begun with conviction. All right, so imagine if this body were really, really big, okay? That's real conviction behind the reversal. And same here with the bearish engulfing. A really big, long, or tall, I should say, red body here would indicate some serious reversal here, possibly in the making. All right, large volume also during the engulfing candlestick is also evidence that the new direction has begun with conviction. So if this green candlestick bullish engulfing in the bullish engulfing pattern had a large green volume bar below it, that would indicate more conviction, perhaps a stronger uptrend. If this red candle had a large red volume candle below it, then that might be an even stronger indication that the trend might be reversing. And finally, if the engulfing body engulfs the body and the shadows, top and bottom, you know, the wicks of the previous day, that is even more evidence that the new direction has begun with conviction, okay? And actually, we see that here. This body is so large that it actually engulfs or covers not only the body of the previous red candle, but it's even taller, it's even higher and lower than the wicks. Okay, and when that happens, that could be even more powerful. All right, so you're looking for a longer body that could indicate more conviction. You're looking for more volume. Look for that volume bar, and if the body engulfs the previous body and the wicks, that's even more conviction there, according to this theory. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you learned about bearish and bullish engulfing candlesticks. This is just an introduction. I do help people, I coach people on these things, and also with putting together a trading or investing plan, because you really need to have one if you want to be successful at this. My name's David Modell. If you need help with this, you can email me at davidmodell@gmail.com. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. Okay, do you think this works? Have you found it to be successful and powerful in your trading? Let me know in the comments section. And if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, what are you waiting for? Go for it, man. Subscribe. Come on now. And hit that notification bell so you can receive the latest updates whenever I put out videos like this one. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I'll talk to you again soon.